Morning, boys. Let me send the announcement in, boys.
They're going for.
You were always taught that when you give a penalty kick, you give it and then you ran away. That was the way we were taught. And I never felt comfortable doing that.
What are you saying, chat? Let me know what we're looking at, boys. I'm just going to back send the announcement in now. Last day to catch some trades, boys, this week. Just quickly send the announcement in, boys. Everyone let me know what we're looking at, boys. Villa took Forest apart last night. Yeah, man, you played well. Played well, to be fair. Their ways was gonna, to be fair. You're way better than fucking Nottingham Forest. Boom. Alright, yes, boys. Let me know what pairs we're trading, man. Morning, Jed. Morning, Casual. Morning, GW. Let's let a few more man get in here, boys. Everyone double tap the screen, man. Let me know what pairs we're looking at trading. I'm obviously looking at buys right now. As are some of you guys as well. This is really what I'm looking at. Yeah, I'm looking at longs today, chat. I think most people are looking at longs anyway. But yeah, let me know if you are looking at something different and I can get into my bias. But this is really what I'm looking at today. Would be longs on EU, GU. If it's coming down, why are you not looking for ALG sells? I don't think it's really coming down for that, bro. I don't really see this as a liquidity grab. I see this as a genuine move higher. So that means I'm looking for a continuation. If I did see this as a liquidity grab, then yeah, I would be looking for sells. But I see this as a continuation. The reason I see it as a continuation is because we are coming off something significant. We are coming off our older block right now. If you look, we've got this external high. And we've got this order block here. So that's essentially the move that we want overall. So we are coming off of our order block, and then when we go down onto lower, we can see that Asia session came in and then just expanded off. So we definitely want to look for buyers, in my opinion, on this. Definitely want to look for buyers on AUGU. Same on the DXY. So on the DXY, you can see we filled this 4 hour. To be fair, we'll call it this order block just because we did sort of come above it a little bit. But yeah, we are reacting off these bearish points and we are getting a reaction straight away. So yeah, I want the dollar to come up, tap us in, sell off like that. That's what we want, boys. Let's let some more people get in this live, boys. Everyone get in, everyone drop a like on the stream, boys. Let's try to get 100. Let's try to get 200 in this YouTube today, boys. We haven't had 200 man in here in a while. I think the most we've, to be fair, it's been a bit of a dead week, so the views have been down a little bit, but we have been like 125 every day. So just try to get 200 this live. If we get a good trade. Morning Cole, morning Trey, morning Brian, Caveman, Ken Cole, what you saying? Jed, GW, Casual, Trap, Ralph, what you saying, boys? What you saying, Joe? And I'm literally going for, I did tell you yesterday I was on sell on Euro, and I'm literally going for sell again. Fair play, bro. Yeah, I'm more looking for buyers, to be honest with you. It was a nice sell in the New York session yesterday, but I think just based on how we're moving, so we've taken this 4-hour high, we've got this 4-hour low, which has now been taken as well, and we tapped into this order block, so everything, and we've already got a reaction, so everything really is telling me buyers, and just to look for continuation of buyers. So that's pretty much it, really. I can't really see many reasons for selling. I suppose maybe we've tapped into this order block here. You might consider that. But yeah, I don't really think that's too significant. And I do really see this as a true break above the Asia high to expand higher, rather than just a move to take liquidity and then reverse to the Asia low. So, but yeah, a lot of people are looking at sells, interestingly enough. I see liquidity lying below your stop loss. What, do you mean the Asia low or the equal lows, or buyers for sure? Yeah, I agree. I'll definitely be looking for buyers. Everyone drop a like on the YouTube stream. We've only got 50 man in there. I'm not going to lie, boys. On Friday, so many traders get fucking lazy and just don't tune in. Just because they think, oh, cool, I've heard on socials I shouldn't trade Fridays. Let me just not tune in to the live. Let me just take a day off. So if you are here still trading today, boys, again, I'll say this quite a bit, but you are actually part of the people that will most likely make it. Morning, Lou. Fellow Essex lad here. Morning, brother. Morning, Darren. Morning, Trap. Morning, Ralph. Morning, Cole. Was waiting for EU longs from the 15, but seems like it's gone. Yeah, I mean, it's been kind of the story of our week, really, that has, to be quite honest with you. You can see Monday, we had the expansion, and then not much else during the London session, pretty much. Yesterday, same thing, we had the expansion, and then pretty much not much else. And then today, again, we've had the expansion. But hopefully we can come down. Please, can we come down? Interestingly enough, we didn't have any yen intervention yesterday. Still, the last intervention we had was on Friday. Was it? No, sorry, my bad. Wednesday. But you can see this is all the intervention we're seeing. But yeah, since these spikes, we haven't really had anything. If I make these a bit brighter for you boys. See, we didn't really have much in the way of intervention since Wednesday. Price has just slowly been trickling. So I'll be interested to see if we do have any movement. You can see EUGU right now is really mimicking the yen basket, which is, well, obviously inverted, but which is interesting. Obviously, looking at EG, as we know, well, to be fair, we have been pushing up. We are basically at that order block now. So what I really expect now is the euro bearishness to really kick in. So I do think the euro is going to be pretty weak, and the pound should be pretty strong. We are at this order block, as I said, which was looking at potentially continuations from. We are obviously in the overall downtrend. So looking at this market, considering that I'm bullish on EU and GU, looking at EG, where that really, because even 2 secs revival, I'll read it. Let's see these comments real quick, chat. You always see the boy Simon in there, bro. Come on, bro. What are you saying, Kims? What are you saying, Simon? Yeah, Kims is always here. Simon's always here. If you look at the 4 hour, there's a breaker structure. Do you look at fundamentals personally? No. It's all... if yesterday is bullish and daily is bullish, then how come EU dropped yesterday? It's basically, bro, so... This is why. I'll show you exactly why. To be fair, you actually... Probably going to hear this and never be the same again. But the reason being is internal, external liquidity. This is why. And if you don't know what internal, external liquidity is, the market only ever does two things. It moves from internal to external, and then external to internal. So our external liquidity is just the high and low of the range, right? So obviously when we're bullish, we'll break out the high. And our internal liquidity is a POI within the current range, so an FVGR order block, right? So if we combine the two, so we've got the internal and external drawn on. Can you piss off? So if we just move this over here, so now what the market basically does is it will move from the internal to external, and then we'll have another internal and another external low. So then price will go from the external to internal, and then from internal to external, and vice versa. And then this is how essentially how trends form, right? It's in essence how trends form. So we go from internal to external, and then internal to external, then internal to external, then internal to external, etc., etc., right? So basically what that means is we can be very bearish, bro, but we can get rid of this. So we can, for example, right, we can be very bearish in terms of the trend and the narrative and the bias and everything taken into account would be bearish. But if we've just taken our external liquidity, like we have here, what do you mean, bro, not responding? I'm fucking directly responding to a comment, bro. Directly responding to a fucking comment. You take me down. Like, you actually joking. Directly responding to a comment. They've actually got the audacity to say, TikTok, honestly, fuck you, innit? I'm tired of your shit app. TikTok, fuck you. But what that means is, bro, is essentially we can still get bullish legs within an overall sell-off. It's just a retracement to internal. So we get a retracement, even though the market's overall bearish, you still get these little points where we buy up. Okay, so that's just the opposite of what we're seeing today, which is we are bullish, but we just got a retracement. So we're bullish, we've got a pullback, and then we're going to just go for the external again. That's basically what we're saying. Drink some water, mate. That's probably actually decent advice, to be fair. But look at the 4-hour supply on Euro. There's a valid break, and use the fib to the 4-hour high to the low. Because my technicals work, but it all depends on my patience. I'll be honest, bro, you should defo learn about fundamentals. That's why trading OT is essentially goated. It's goated, essentially framed the exact idea of this. Yeah, facts. Morning, boys. Morning, everyone on Tiki. Yeah, holy views. 167 views. This week, to be fair, I'm not surprised why so many... I'm literally running at about a third capacity of the normal people that tune into the streams. This just shows how shit these markets are. How godforsakenly shit these markets are. Don't be oblivious to fundamentals. Yeah, man, you definitely got to know about fundamentals. I mean, a lot of people don't read them till they're quite far on in their trading journey, to be fair. So you probably will eventually read about them, bro. EU's gone without me. Any EU long entries, you reckon? I'm long on EU, GU, almost from Asia high. Yeah, nice. I do think that we are going to continue to the upside, but it's just whether we have a pullback or not, and how significant that pullback is. Bear in mind, this leg here that we've just run is about 50 pips. So that means we do need about a 30 pip retracement to then go all the way back up, which is quite significant. So it's going to be difficult. Don't be oblivious to fundamentals. Yeah, you need to know about fundamentals if you're actually trying to take trading seriously. I think everyone knows that deep down, but they just sort of... That's actually really annoying me, boys, that TikTok have taken me off the FYP today. They actually didn't take me off for the whole of yesterday. And they've taken me off after 10 minutes today. It doesn't make any sense, boys. I'll be real, the TikTok algorithm just does not make a drip of sense. Like, I get it. You want to keep your app fucking certain things from being spammed, but can you not clearly detect that this isn't just a spam post and I'm actually going live? Like, fucking hell, TikTok, bruv. What do you mean with fundamental? Holy knowledge. Holy fundamental knowledge. Fundamental is just stuff that's going on in the actual real world, bro. So, for example, stuff to do with the war, stuff to do with right now the Bank of Japan, all the news events. Basically anything that's not on the chart, essentially. This is called technicals, and the stuff that's not on the chart is called fundamentals. So our overall target is this high. So if we get a nicer setup here, like roundabout here, we could still take it. Bearing in mind, we are in this next leg here, so we may just want to come into like this order block here, which is obviously going to be a lot more likely to catch the trade. So we might have this. We'll wait till we come down. Hopefully we can. Yilker, what are you saying, Angry Bean? I've been entered in a sell on 4 hour. Yeah, bro. If you're in a sell on the 4 hour, bro, I think you're gonna get cooked. I'm not gonna lie, but TikTok rage baiting Lou every day. Trust me, bro. What are you saying, Jeff? What are you saying, Emlaka? Shorts on GVGAD. I share the entry on Discord chart check. Sweet, bro. I'll have a look. Pull back with NFP, then run. Yeah, a lot of people. Oh wait, I was bugging out then. I was looking at NFP and I thought it said for the pound. I was thinking, sorry, what? Just blatantly for the dollar today. Daniel, all right. This is genuinely the last time I'm gonna say this, right? Mods, kick Daniel from the live. Mods, kick Daniel. I'll read out his whole fucking ID tag. At Daniel/J3K5D. The person who just commented for the 70th time, are you circumcised? Mods, please kick him from the live. I'm already in buyers. Alright, fair play, bro. Where did you get into buyers? Yo, everyone repost the live. Tell TikTok, but this live is fucking real. Not only is it real, it's the best live in the game. It's the best live in the game by miles. Let's just be honest, boys. Let's just be open and honest about the situation we've got going. We're the best streamers there is in the London session. Fuck the we're the best streamers in trading in general. And TikTok are trying to take us off the fucking map. Are they sure? Are they even sure about that? Because I don't even think they can be that sure. Considering it's just a stupid decision and they can't be that sure. I think we should email TikTok support. Daniel wants to know. I know Daniel wants to know. I know he wants to know. He wants to know so bad. And I've told him multiple times that no, I'm not circumcised. But he just keeps on wanting to know. Hey, how long is the election results? Alright, chat. Alright, well, Reform are leading the polls. Reform, 388. Labour, 253. Conservative, 252. Lib Dems, 241. Green Party, wow. Wow. Seems like the Green Party is only popular on social media. Seems like the Green Party, boys, is only popular on social media. Jesus. Jesus, boys. Holy. Morning, Hanny Jam. What you saying, bro? Does it clap? Okay, mods, get Caveman out of this fucking live as well. Jesus. Getting harassed, basically. 100% lad. Nobody else here every day doing this, giving us knowledge. Come on, bro. Come on, brother. But yeah. Can this... Yeah, chat, I don't think we're going to come back down to our original entry, so we're going to have to try and just adjust to this and try and catch a trade in the best way we can. Remember, we don't have to be married to our entry. If we want to change it, we can, which is what I'm going to do now. Because I'm not waiting for a 70 pip retracement that's never going to happen. That is something I won't be doing with my Friday. But what I will be doing is I'm just going to consider this its own range now. I mean, it's not a very good pullback, but I mean, it is a clear pullback and next leg. So I'd really be looking to trade this leg independently. So just something like that. So obviously let's mark on the breaker structure on both of these. And again, you just kind of just want to go with the OTE on this, to be honest with you. To be fair, it's an independent range right here. Yeah, you just really want to be going with the OTE on this. Can I use your club card? Yeah, bro. Yeah, you can use my club card. Reformer leading. Yeah, reformer leading. Greens are cookers. Trust me, bro. Alright, what do you mean by cookers, actually? Louis, man, after all this time, you're going to kick me. Look, I thought we was going to have to link up. Yeah, when I'm profitable. Yeah, bro, when you're profitable, we can have a link up. But you need to get profitable first, bro. Until then, you're fucking meat on a chopping block, ready to get... You know what I mean? Booted out of here. So be careful. Be careful. Watch where you stand. Damn, you leaving, mate. EU's leaving like a father. EU's leaving like a father, boys. Like a straight up father. I mean, even if you trade this range, it's still a 10 pip stop loss, which is fucking pretty crazy, to be honest with you. Yeah, EU's a bit tight of a stop loss. Fucking hell! Can we just chill out a little bit? Like, I get it. I know you're pretty strong right now, but... Fucking hell, man. G, at least GU's chilling out a little bit. Cheers for that, GU. I do actually appreciate that from you. So this is now what I'll be looking for, which is a bit more realistic in terms of actually getting tapped in. I'm looking for sells now because EU was already taking liquidity, so I'm looking for sells. I wouldn't see this as seeking liquidity, bro. I'd see it as a true move high. I don't think this is just to take liquidity. So real market. What do you mean real market, bro? I did say entry looked bleak for fuck's sake. Yeah, trust me, bro. GU, EU, yeah. Man, in this TikTok. Everyone on TikTok, double tap the screen, TikTok. Everyone on TikTok, double tap the screen. If we can get 75 million likes on this stream, then I'm gonna do like a cool dance for you guys. So get ready for that, because that's gonna go off. Get ready for that. What goes up must come down. I mean, that is a saying in the real world, but put it this way, when Sir Isaac Newton was knocking about, you could not load on to TradingView, fucking set up a few positions, then buy a funded account for 10k off Alpha Capital Group, or a 10k account for £50, go on that account, trade the market, catch longs, and then get a payout of fucking 5%, and then reinvest it into another funded account, and then that funded account may be 100k, which is basically a 10x. So then when you make 5% on that, you're actually making 5k with profit split and changing over to pounds. You're probably going to be walking around with about £3,000, maybe 3.5. And that's basically what's going to happen. They didn't have that in Newton's time. So what comes up must come down. Yeah, it's all fun and games when we're talking about this. Whoa, that was like literally an inch next to my piece. Oh, that you probably would have hurt. So yeah, he invented that way before we could actually trade. So I wouldn't really take that narrative. What comes up must come down. I'll tell you what comes up must come down. Well, that's to do with gravity. So would you say what comes down must come up? Do you know what I mean? You guys getting what I'm saying? I'm also in GU longs. Where's your TP? My TP would be Friday high, bro. I'm not actually in longs right now. I'm still looking for him. Everyone double tap the screen, boys. Everyone double tap the screen. We're getting very close to that 75 million like mark, boys. Say that to the S&P 500. Yeah, bro, but the thing is, yeah, that's what I'm saying. Say that to the S&P. Say that to gold. Say that to oil. Tell that to fucking Bitcoin. Well, to be fair, Bitcoin low-key, yeah, but... Appreciate the gifts, Nikki. Nikki, where did your name come from? Nikki D. Nicky D. It sounds like Nicky D sounds like you're like a League One level player, but like the better player for your respective League One club, and like people love you, so like they nickname you Nicky D. Your name's probably like Nicholas Delap or something. Nicky D. It's a quality player, that Nicky. Yeah, he'll be in the Premiership next season, I think. I'm waiting on some entries as you more reasonable, and we have good SL. Yeah, bro. I mean, I just consider this a new range. We're clearly not going to come into this range. We've had a tiny retracement. So if you look at the overall leg, the leg was 41 pips. We retraced 12 pips. So I suppose 25%. It's not the smallest. But we have had that retracement. So now I just want to catch the next leg. I wouldn't be interested in anything below this point. Which is annoying because we are on the wrong side of the DTO, but it just is what it is today, chat. We gotta do what we gotta do today, boys. We gotta think Nicole and then surname. Oh, wow. I was thinking there was gonna be a little bit more lore behind that, but still kind of based, I suppose. Still got a restriction, so why? Futures or CFD? CFD, bro. D light. I got in at 25822. Oh, 358. I was gonna say 25822. Holy entry. Bro got in. Hold up. So you got in. Sorry, let me actually see when bro got in. You see when bro got into this trade. Bro said he got in. He got in at 25822. Holy trade. Bro entered in March 2025. When course. You literally entered on the exact low of the candle, like. That is genuinely the absolute low of that candle. Holy base. What? So I'm assuming you got in on the retap of it there. Stop loss on the low. Fucking hell. I think this is probably the greatest trade I've ever seen, to be fair. $55-1. I'm not gonna lie, that should be more than that. Like, to be fair, the stop loss is kind of bigger than I thought, but anyway. But yeah, if you have already got an EUG, I think that's nice. I really do think you can probably hold to the end of the day. I mean, obviously, it is better to just set your TP. Bro loves swap fees. But I'm not going to lie, I love swap fees. That I love. I've actually been on, have you seen that American program, My Strange Addictions? I've actually been on there. My cousin actually eats cardboard and I'm addicted to swap fees. It is a problem, but I'm sort of getting help for it as we go. Bro Louis, my friend got in at 35529. What a trade. 35529. 35529. So he was up and trading it. He was actively executing trades at 5 in the morning. So I don't mean to alarm you, but I think your friend has I'm not going to say the exact word. I'll just say I think your friend has a substance abuse problem. And I think we all know what substance he's abusing. Okay, it's hardly Mary Jane, is it? He's up at 5 in the morning executing trades. We know what you're on. We know exactly what you're on. I'm going at 35855. Oh, that's a lot less impressive. To be fair, it's nice that you actually just got in, bro. I'll be honest, casual. Anyone who got in this, in all seriousness, is lovely. We have news. Yeah, we do have a little... Well, not a little bit of news, to be fair. We've actually got a decent bit. But we don't have news this morning until... Governor Bailey and then NFP. So about 1 PM is when we're going to be stopping trading. But until then, we should have a nice clean market. On the crystal pistol, yeah, do you know what I'm saying? But to be fair, not even the crystal, bro. The chowder powder. Lily Abu Samara. Okay. Currently 1 to 10 RR. Lovely, KR. Lovely. If TP takes Friday... Oh, 1 10 RR if it takes Friday high. Oh, fairs. Yeah, I mean, hopefully we can have a little bit of a retracement. This entry does look pretty nice, to be honest with you. It's a clear break strategy. It's just simple. High time frame bias is bullish. We've got a clear order block, clear breaker structure. So I think it's a pretty simple entry. Not really overcomplicating things. You can see overall bias is clearly bullish. We do just want to be looking for buyers. Yo, 107 man in here. Everyone like the stream, boys. Let's get 200 people in here real quick. I'm just waiting for the New York sell-off like yesterday. Trump tweeted it and it upset the market. Bro's strategy is to wait for a Trump tweet. But what happens when he tweets, bruv, and you've missed the entire move and you just catch the fallout? If you're waiting for a Trump tweet, it's like... I don't know, it's like... Waiting for a Trump tweet is like waiting for a plane you're not going to catch. It's like me sitting here in my fucking room saying, yeah, I'm waiting for the flight 7281 from Heathrow Airport to Jamaica. Yeah, I'm waiting for it. You're just never going to get on it though. So are you really waiting for it or... Update situation on chart check. Let's go up. Yeah, let me check chart check, bro. By the way, chat, everyone in the chat, if you don't know me, I am a... I was going to say something so fucked up. No, I'm a trader, boys. I trade the London session only. I've been a full-time trader for about 3 to 4 years. It took me about 2 years to actually become profitable, and then yeah, I've been doing it ever since. And I come live and I trade. Louis Dayan is here. You ask, yo, are you circumcised? Are you circumcised, bruv? Bruv as well. I hate people like that. I hate people like that. I hate people like that, boys. I really do. You know when it's like they ask me, oh, it'll be, oh, any trade, bro? Can you check gold, bro? Oh, what's are you saying, G? Oh, what are you saying, brother? And then as soon as you get a little bit angry, this is when these horrible words start coming at the end, like bruv, are you circumcised, bruv, fam, cuz, KMT, all the sound effects start getting added. Like, are you circumcised, bruv? But when you want to look for a trade, it's, oh, what's are you saying, bro? Do you know what I mean? Stop with the nonsense. Yeah, trust me. ASD. Fucking hell, ASD's not here for a good time. He's here for a fucking hard time. Can you check gold? Yeah, no worries, bro. Daniel and Daniel. Dayan. Daniel and Dayan. What is actually wrong with you both? Can you check gold, bruv? Okay, well, I'm not going to check gold anymore. Okay, actually, let me just turn off my screen right here. Okay, so what I'm looking for on gold is essentially, I'm going to mark it up right now. By the way, chat, these lot don't know how to behave, so I've had to restrict their access to the screen. So, yeah. So yeah, I'll be looking for it to come off of this order block to this external high, basically, boys. So I'd definitely be looking for buys. Oh shit, I whispered into the mic. Fuck. Just tried to tell the TikTok screen, but I kind of fucked up the facade, so you may as well see now. Yeah, I am overall bullish on a higher time frame perspective. My main target that I'm looking for is this high at 50.44. This is the high of that really, really bearish week we had in the middle of March, where we obviously dumped all the way down. The next month swept out, so it made a new low, but then couldn't close below. and close back within the range, which normally tells us that we're going to reverse the range up to this high. So that's my main target. And then when we break the market down a little bit more, you can see we're coming into this hourly order block. So in terms of this is our low and this is our high, we've got our internal order block here to come up to our external high there. So that's basically what I'm looking for. So I'll definitely just be looking at buys. Looking at it even a little bit more, to be fair, we can see we're coming off of this order block right here. Yeah, we're coming off that order block there. So what I'd be doing, boys, 826. Can you explain what happens in the pre-London in the mentorship? Yeah, no worries, bro. Give me 2 secs. Let me just finish this. So yeah, and then we'd obviously, for those of you that are looking for gold, I will personally wait for this to be inverted because this looks like we could potentially sell off it. Bear in mind here we've got a sweep of the Asia high. So we could be looking at an ALG here. Not something I'll be majorly looking for, but yeah, so we've got an hourly order block here, which is our main order block, which we're looking to buy off of. Price came into our order blocks and expanded during the Asia session. We then left over another hourly order block, which we've just tapped into. So I just want to make sure that we don't want to continuation sell. And if we actually close above that, then that will just confirm we are in fact buying up off this order block. And we can look for more buyers targeting this high at about 4,770, just below. Look, just ignore it. You're putting fuel on the fire. I'm in shorts on gold. Oh, yeah, I'll be looking at longs, bro. I'll be real. How comes you're looking at shorts? Yeah, for... sorry, what was it? Leho. Your name is, like, insanely hard to pronounce, bro. But, yeah, man, what happens in the pre-London? So, we basically break down what we're looking for, what the fundamentals are, what the narrative is, what the bias is, and what likely trades there are to catch. To be honest, bro, like, the way we trade is very, very simple. So all we really do, right, there's 2 steps to our strategy, or to the way we trade, right? I should really make another one of these and move it. I think I've done that before, but I don't know where it is now. Okay, cool, fuck it. So basically, first things first, right? We have a daily bias. So what we do, we have a daily bias on the higher time frame. Then that dictates exactly what type of trades we get into. We've got ALG reversals, DTO continuations. There are 2 strategies that always play in the London session. ALG reversals, DTO continuations. But what we don't do is look at the lower time frame and go, all right, is it going to be an ALG buy or is it going to be a DTO sell? That's not what we do. What we do, look at a higher time frame first, have a daily bias, right? And then if that daily bias, for example, like today is buyers, then we look for ALG buys or DTO buys. Oppositely, if we was looking at daily bias and it was sells, then we'd look for ALG sells or DTO sells. So basically, step 1 is we have a daily bias. So what we do in the pre-London is number 1, we have a daily bias. Number 2 is then we actually look at our strategy, so our ALG and our DTO, and we break down what is most likely to play out given our daily bias and given where price is at. So that'll be number 2, would be trades, potential trades. And then number 3, which is very important, is fundamentals. Okay, that's really unsatisfying the way I drew that, so I'm just going to put... Joined up writing on the computer looks horrible. You got to do separated. A little bit of game there for you, man. But anyway, these are the 3 things we look at. So daily bias first of all to see what the overall outlook is, and then looking at trades based on our daily bias. And then third and foremost, which we do a lot, is fundamentals. So breaking over the fundamental outlook, just mainly if anything, boys, gives you that extra level of confidence. Just knowing about like that you're really going with the flow of the market, you're going with the fundamentals. It just gives you like that bulletproof confidence that you need to really execute. Thoughts on GU? Bullish, bro, but I'm just waiting for a retracement. Minus 2.5% outcomes, bro. You just created a 5-minute FVG. Could be a possible entry for more buyers. You just created a 5-minute FVG. Yeah, nice. So yeah, we've created this one now. It looks like we're probably going to create another one on the 15-minute though, to be fair. So right here. Price is just not slowing down. That's the issue we're getting. This leg is almost just as much as the previous now. So this previous leg was 24 pips on EU. And we've already moved 24 pips on this leg. So we basically just cloned this fucking leg. Same thing on GU. I think GU was a lot more, to be fair. In terms, I think it was about 45, wasn't it? Yeah. So GU, 41 pips. And currently we've run 37. So yeah. Very strong momentum. Very strong momentum. That's fine. Now what we really want, boys, is for us to start seeing some inducement. So what could be good for us is if we tap into this order block, which we have now. Hopefully we get some sellers step into the market. So hopefully at this order block here, we actually get some people jumping in for sells. And this is obviously going to maybe allow us to push down enough to get into our buy limit. But that's really what we can hope for. I don't think some people are probably going to be looking at sells. They're probably going to see a breaker structure and an order block, so therefore sell. So hopefully they can get in that, push the market down to our order block, and then we cook them on buyers. That is the play, that is the plan, that is the 1000 IQ play, and that is what we're going to be doing today, boys. Same thing on EU as well. We've got this order block. Hopefully that can induce some normies into getting into a trade, and then it's just going to push us into our limit. It's going to be creamy when that happens, boys. Not going to lie, it's going to be fucking beautiful. Yeah, we're really weird recently, boys. EU and GU just not really aligning like perfectly to DXY. Not even EU, which normally aligns like near enough to the T. That's the only thing. Like DXY itself's not got anything to really induce it. So again, if we look at EG, we know the pound's the strongest, so we've got more chance of entering EU. Right, that's better. More time when price is moving without a retracement. It's decent clue for where NFP might be heading. Yeah, getting priced in. Partials took. Wow. Yeah, to be fair, I can see why on this. On goal, we have a daily CRT today. Supposed to distribute downward based on the daily CRT. Let me have a look. Why would you make a helpline and not help anyone? I'll tell you why, Dayan, because you fucking nuked the helpline. Every time I turn that phone on, you've been added to a group chat called Heart or whatever the road's called that you guys live at. You've been added to a group chat, you've been added to a group chat, you've been added to a group chat. And then people would text me, people would call me when I'm not on live. And it become unbearable to even leave the phone on. Constantly getting added to group chat, spam texted. Bro, it's just jarring. You guys cannot be trusted with the helpline. You abused the helpline. I might bring the help... I'm going to bring the helpline back, but you guys... You abused it too much. You abused it way too much, boys. Let's have a look at this gold. All the signal waiters, I'm crying. Oh, wow, yeah, you're just laying. Wow, yeah. You everyone drop a like on this stream, chat. If this stream isn't on 50 likes, in the next 30 seconds, I'm jumping off. Straight up. I've got to be firm with shit nowadays. Straight up. Straight fucking up. YouTube, if this don't get to 50 likes in the next 30 seconds, I'm straight off. That ain't a lie. Let's see if you want to call my bluff, but I'll dead-ass jump off and stay on TikTok. So, be careful, boys, yeah? Be careful how you hold them likes close to your chest. Yeah, why are you minus 2.5%, Naz, SMC? Yeah, let's have a look at this daily CRT on gold that you're talking about, bro. Yeah, I do see what you mean. Thing is, though, I mean, I can sort of see where you're... I'm just not a big fan of it, bro, to be honest with you. I'll just be honest with you. I'm just not a big fan of that daily CRT. I know it's there, but I just don't really think it's going to play out based on the overall outlook on the market. I'll be honest with you, bro. So, yeah, I see why you're seeing us ratting off this. You're seeing this as CRT to sell. I think there's a lot more chance the market just continues higher, to be fair. But again, bro, if that's what you're looking for, then don't let me Don't let me talk you out of it, bro. Don't let me talk you out of it. Come on, people. These lives are literally free. Oh, Casual Me shivering his timbers, is he? Shivering his timbers. Well, 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 Casual Me. I'll remember that. Give trade. Where's he at today? Have you blocked him? No, I don't know. I think the mods finally got rid of him. I think he's swimming with, hopefully he's swimming with the fishes. Did you enter off CRT, bro, when we created the order block, or are you waiting for a retracement on EU? Waiting for a retracement, bro. Yeah, there's not been any real retracement for us to get in, like, at all this morning. Unless you just live executed, which if you did, fair play. Got to have bottle to do that, so fairs. Yeah, we need a proper retracement now, chat. Let's hope this can be the start of the proper retracement. We tap in, we get the buyers, 5% made on the day. The week goes from being shit to quality. Bro, why are you wearing a suit on a YouTube live? Holy suit. Should I wear a shirt and blazer then? Do you think that will get me more views? Or you think the fashion sense is dead? I don't know if that's meant to be rage bait. I'm literally not wearing a suit, but... Are you playing this weekend? We got the Irons, we got West Ham. It's me versus Mace. It's the battle. Whoa, I tell you what. I would fucking hate to be a Tottenham fan this weekend. It's going to be so peak for them watching Arsenal versus West Ham. Yeah, bro, I found it a bit risky when you enter, just when you see CRT. Yeah, that's it, man. You want to use other things in line with it, but I do get what this guy's saying. It does make sense. Yeah, we got West Ham. We got West Ham. Who's West Ham in the live right now? Let me know. Who's West Ham? I know there's always somewhere in West Ham. Boys, you could be banged up in fucking the Sahara Desert in some shanty town jail like the Wild West, and there'll be a West Ham fan in there. No matter where you go in the world, there's always a West Ham fan. And whenever I see him, I always just bang him out as soon as I see him. I'd give him one and lay him out. And I'm joking. To be fair, like most of my family are West Ham, so I'll be pretty out of order. Tottenham is fucking amazing, bro. Tottenham is fucking amazing, bro. For a start, don't want to be that guy, but Tottenham are, and then the rest, so you sort of got that wrong. But then they're also very shit, bro, so that's all I'll say. How many percent do you risk per trade? 1 to 4, bro. 1 to 4. Sales from the 4-hour order block look nice. On what, bro? Yeah, I'll risk 1%, bro. Sales from 4. Oh, yeah, what pair, bro? The reason why your forehead is so big because you're always stressing about losing in Arsenal. Holy English, losing in Arsenal. That's another thing that really annoys me. I won't say pisses me off, but annoys me. You know when Americans say, like, in. Like, they'll say, let me think of an example. Like, they'll say, Declan Rice is the best player in Arsenal. Like, in Arsenal. Like, do you know what I'm saying? Do you guys know what I'm trying to say here? I feel like I execute that poorly. Or it'll be like, Jared Bowen's the best player in West Ham. It's for West Ham. Or like, for Arsenal, not in. Like, yeah, the Spurs, they've got some good players in the Spurs. The Spurs got some decent players in there. It's like, no, on or for, not in. That really, like, whenever I hear that, I just want to, I don't know, nothing really. Is he talking about EU? Yeah, I'm talking about EU, bro. Yeah, EU, sales from Farrell. Yeah, I'll be real, bro. That's what we're hoping people getting juiced off, innit? We're hoping that people jump in sells in that, which will just push us down for our buy limit. Up here, it was kind of hard to get, like, the market to push down because there's not really any POIs. There's no reason for people to sell here. But here, now we're at this order block. Hopefully some people can jump in sells, which will push the market down to our limit, and then we can actually get in. So yeah, we're just hopefully inducing people to go against us. It's 10 AM and this is what you're doing. Yeah, that's what I do every single day at 10 AM for the past fucking 5 years. Lou, we are not at school and no one come to your class if you were teacher. Well, you should fucking come to my class if I was a teacher because you can't spell a single word or string a sentence together. So, I mean, your loss. And yes, that was me flipping him off if you can't see that on your TikTok. Shit team, Tottenham is Arsenal forever. Come on, Nicky. Come on, you Spurs. Nah. Nah, Louis, dead arse, I would raid Tesco with you. I do appreciate that, to be fair. You'd raid Tesco with me. What's really raidable from Tesco? See, I was never really big on the raid method. The thing is, the raid method's sort of performative. There's no actual need to do the raid method. The sneak method is goated. Who knows about listen, we'll see who's really based. Who knows about the bakery, then to walk around the store and then finish everything you picked up from the bakery and then just walk out? Who knows about that method? That method is probably the goated method. When you're younger, like when you're in school time days, the sneak method was the one. But I think the only valid method at this age is to go to the bakery, pick up a load of shit, walk around and then eat it and then walk out. I think that's the only really valid method, because that's not really stealing either. That's sort of enjoying yourself. Lou, you come well class today. Yeah, bro. And if you keep talking casual, you will be in detention. And my detention ain't like normal teacher's detention. You ain't gonna be sitting there in silence. Let me fucking tell you that for free. It's going to be like military detention. You're going to be doing press-ups, star jumps. I'm going to get you crawling under tables. I'm going to get you, I don't know, boxing each other. Like, seems like I'm the liquidity there. Well, maybe not, bro, innit? Maybe you're just actually right. But, yeah, I would more than strongly be looking for buyers. Yeah, I used to do it at Greg's. Greg's is crazy. It's been... Bro, to be fair, stealing from Greg's is a little bit crazy. Greg's is like £1. I've never nicked any... Bro, I've never nicked anything in my life from fucking like a place like that. Like, not like a supermarket, yeah, but a restaurant, or not a restaurant, but I don't know what you'd call Greg's. Like a... I don't know. I've never nicked anything from there. You sound like a right... Fucking hell, that's a bit strong, isn't it, Simon? It's a little bit strong. And some sword fight. Oh, so you're the one who's been sword fighting in the toilet. There's a scoreboard up and also a sketched out drawing of your swords. Do you bash? Daniel, don't know why you want to know so much if I bash and if I'm circumcised. Like, just tell me why you want to know and then I'll answer it. How about that? Lou, I've made some more edits of you and Mace. Do you want to see, bro? Well, do I really have a choice? Hopefully they're better than the last. Let me check the chart check real quick. Fucking hell, Edu cooking. He's cooking, boys. Lovely stuff. Gold shorts. Yeah, that's the level I've been waiting to get inverted, Josh. It's the level I've been waiting to get inverted up. 4.5R, lovely. Yeah, this shit's just absolutely booming, man. Absolutely booming. We built different then. Yeah, trust me. Nicking from Greg's is crazy work. I rate Greg's though. I think it's one of the last proper places. You can pay cash. It's cheap. It's just good, innit? They don't... Like, Greg's is the only place you go in there and you don't walk out going, fuck me, that was expensive. Like, you go in like McDonald's or... Bro, Burger King. Has anyone gone fucking Burger King recently? Might as well go Gauchos, bruv. It's like 20 quid for like burger chips and something. It's like, mate, fucking Burger King, bruv. 14 pips more to your TP, nice. Yeah, man, I really want to start seeing some retracement, but I don't really look like we're going to get it. When did you come out, bro? Again, that's kind of a impossible question to answer. It's sort of like the old, does your mum know you're gay one? Sort of the impossible question. Who's shorting to you? Everyone's shorting to you. Well, I mean, no one's shorting to you, bro. Hey, Jar. Burger King is a robbery. Yeah, trust me. Burger King at the airport is criminal. Yeah, bro, trust me. The good thing about Burger King at the airport, though, is they do sell pints in there, which is pretty based. Because in the future, what if we're in an AP and you crave a cheeky bash? Well, what's that got to do with you, even if that did happen? He was left no trades for us. Bro, it's not over till it's over. It is not over. If we have to get this on outside, then it's on outside. We have to take this outside, then it's on outside. You hear that? It is not over. I can't lie, GG to this GU trade. Boys, you guys have got some negative attitude. You ready? It's on outside, it is on outside. Did you hear that? This is not over. Okay? So stop being so negative in the chat. We're going to catch this trade. We're going to get the retracements of all retracements. And then we're going to get the lump job of all lump jobs. You follow me now. Sorry, who are you? Sergio Reyna. You sound like a football player. I'll follow you, bro, so you can DM me back. I'm assuming that's why. I just followed you, bro. Ops on AJ versus Fury. I don't think that's actually happening. Check AUD USD. We at all-time highs? No. We were very, very strong on AUD USD. Very strong. The Aussie dollar has been very strong recently. Against basically every currency. Yeah, you can see we came off that fair value gap to then break this high. So really now we want price to come off this fair value gap and then break the high again. Similar thing really though to the what we're seeing on other dollar pairs is we've got this breaker structure here. So I'll just be looking at buyers really from this order block here. If we're able to retrace. So yeah, very similar to the likes of basically everything against the dollar is the same. We're waiting for a little bit of a retracement to actually be able to get into anything. I definitely would be bullish on this. I would aim for Wednesday high. And stop loss on this low. So the RR is going to be crazy, but just whether you're actually able to get tapped in, which is going to be really difficult to get tapped in. Hey bro, do you do mentoring? Yeah, I do, bro. We do have mentoring. What I'll do, bro, I'll follow you so you can send me a DM on here if you want, bro. Alright, I'll give you permission. It is happening. I don't think it is happening, is it? What, AJ Fury? I'm sure Fury said his next fight is not AJ. Go on to our DM, Lou. Bro. Bruv. Are you taking the actual piss, bro? Wait. Oh, it still looks fucked up. What have I got on my eyes? I've got like eyeliner on. Yo, holy hair though. My hair kind of looks good there. Bro, do not be making shit like that though. Okay? Okay, wow. Wait. Macy's giving... Holy couple. Holy couple. Holy couple. Yo, everyone tell Mace to get on the live, so this is like the first thing he sees when he comes on. He's going to see that and be like, wait, what? What is that? He's not even going to notice this is AI at the start. Hey, yo, everyone go in the everyone go in the free chat and at Mace. Everyone go in the free chat and at Mace. And say go on the live, go on the live, go on the live. Yo, everyone go on the free chat and at Mace so he comes to the live and sees this. Yo, everyone go to the free chat and at Mace. Let's let him get in here. Let's let him enjoy this as we're waiting for the retracement. Better people are at him. Yo, everyone here activate on the Discord. Just at the fucker. Boys, I want to see this chat go crazy. Everyone at him. Everyone at him. Everyone at him. I sent him a WhatsApp. Sick. He's going to be thinking, fuck yeah, what is actually going on the live? Bro, I don't like that. I mean, it's really weird. Like, when it's Mace, I find it hilarious. When it's me, I find it really, like, don't know, like, unsettling. Mace needs to see this chart. Yeah, trust me. Long or short, boys? Oh, here he is. Yeah, Mace, just wondering what you was thinking about this current chart on GU. It's looking pretty bullish, I thought. Simon, why the fuck would you do that, mate? Bro, Simon, you do shit like this all the time. You ruin shit all the time. Not gonna lie, mate. You just ruined that. Bro sent him a screenshot of it. Why have you just followed me, bro? I don't know. You commented something like follow. You commented something like, please, hey, bro. Oh, I can't remember. Oh, no, Luca. Yeah, I don't know. I assumed you wanted to DM me, bro. You asked if I do mentoring, so I followed you so you can DM me, bro. Yeah. Yeah, it was me, bro. Just so if you want to DM me, you can DM me. It looking Gaelish, femish. Check Discord DMs, fake account of Mace on TikTok is scamming. Fake account? Oh, and they've blocked me. Oh, no, they haven't. You cheeky... You send him a, let me send him a lovely text message. I hope you like straws, cause you'll be eating from one if you're not careful. You cheeky fucker. Do you reckon that'll get me taken off? Would that get me taken off, or is that allowed? No, you're right, yeah. I don't know, I think he's talking about this scam account here. Wait, Luke, are you coming for me or are you not? I can't really tell. Got something locked and loaded if you do want to come for me. Got something locked and loaded. I remember this Luca guy. I don't even know who he is. Oh, who is he? He asked me to follow him, so I followed him. Let me unfollow you then. He's been saying we're a scam for a long time, but he's never backed his point. It's probably because he's born in 1985, so he's about 87 years old. He probably thinks this is like a GTA stream or something. He actually can't really tell what's going on. He's in late stage dementia watching our TikTok live. So in terms of cutting people some slack, we've got to cut him a huge amount of slack. Check Discord. Oh yeah. Yeah, boys. I remember me and Mace will never DM you first on TikTok or Instagram or Discord or anything. You have to message us first. Can you show your 4-hour analysis for EU, please? No worries, bro. So yeah, I'm bullish on EU. Actually, let me pull up another chart that we was looking at yesterday, which is easier to show what we're looking at. Yeah, so there you can see, really, if we look at the 4-hour, we've got a... so we was in a downtrend, as you can see, breaking lows, breaking lows, breaking lows. And then this here had a leg higher, which broke structure, or market structure shift, whatever you want to call it. That leg there. Now, what we wanted to know is, we wanted to know that this leg was a true move higher, and it wasn't just a manipulation leg to then obviously take liquidity and move down. So what we waited for was price to come back into the order block, and if it would continue again, which it did. So now we've got external, internal, external again, which for me confirms an uptrend. So now we just look for a POI within this range here that we can buy from. Up to this high in order to just basically catch continuations. So if we mark out this high as our next relevant high, oh my bad, and on the hourly time frame we have this order block right here on the 1 hour. I mean, you can use the order block or the fair value gap. To be fair, the fair value gap's probably a little bit better. You can see this is the hourly fair value gap we filled, and then yeah. Oh, I'm 1985. Leave it out. Yeah, but Kims, you're actually kind of based. There's a few people in here that are at that age, which is actually calm. But it's just him. He's clearly got early onset dementia, or maybe late stages. Not really too sure. It's hard to sort of tell. Mate, this is actually probably the worst trading week I've seen in ages. There's been, like, for the London session especially, there's genuinely been barely any fucking entries. Fuck that on my screen, bro. I'm on the naughty list right now, so saying nothing. I'm on the naughty list right now. What's gold doing? We're still waiting to see if we get this move on gold. Let's push above this IFVG, sorry. Got this fair value gap here. We obviously want price to push above, retest, and then we'll get into the long. I'm waiting for a deeper retracement than 4 hour. Fair play, bro. To be fair, you'll probably be waiting until next week then, in all honesty. Unless, obviously, NFP pushes us down there. Yeah, DXY is just fucking dumping. Absolutely dumping. That's how you can tell that guy's old, by the way. Why did you follow me? What type of fucking question is that? Why did you follow me? It's like these people that age think that everyone you follow on like social media, you write out like a thesis. Do I know this person? How well do I know them? Why do I want to keep up to date with their posts? When was the last time I saw them? When was the last time we had a phone call? It's like, bro, sometimes people just click the follow button randomly. It's just how social media works. Why did you follow me? Prepare for a sell on EU. Why is that, bro? I mean, I'm not really preparing for anything. Let's smash the Geo, Lou. We need a good round. It's Friday. To be fair, bro, it's kind of smashed my reality that you've just been there Googling shit. Morning, Lou. How's this going? It's going good, bro. It's going all good, bro. What about yourself, Josh? Fuck it, right. The streets have been asking, chat. We're going to go one round of GeoGuessr. If we get... This is what we're doing on GeoGuessr, right? If we get silver medal, I'm going to do a discount code. If we do gold medal, I'm going to give away a free funded account. So let's get started on this. Let's get started straight away. The discount will be for my one-to-one mentorship, so you can get in for a biblical price. Let's go. Let's go. So silver medal, we do a discount. Gold medal, we give away for free. I think this is Japan. I don't like these. Could be anywhere in the world. I'll be so real. I'm going to go Japan. If I get this wrong, chat, then this round's probably a write-off. Because if it's not Japan, it's going to be miles away. Yep, it was fucking northern Portugal. Okay, this is easier. This shit looks like Baltimore or something. I'm going to go, like, down here, though. Holy town. You're literally not near anything. Bruv, really? Fucking hell. I guess it's Naples, though. Argentina. Sick. China. Oh, this is a good one. We're in the pitch black. Bro, is that a fucking joke? Right, gold has got 6 minutes left till we close above. There might be a trade on gold, so I'm going to keep my eye on this. Oh, fucking hell. We're in like the nicest place in the world, boys. That looks like an English road sign. I'm going to guess England. Fuck it. Okay, fuck me. I haven't played this game in too long, boys. I'm getting absolutely cooked. Alright, I think this is Mexico. Okay, we kind of got a fucking... Wow, that was probably the worst game I've ever played. Okay, let's do a better one here. This is going to be like here. Bruv, how the fuck is that Canada? How the fuck actually is that Canada? Where's this then, bro? This looks like fucking Thailand or something, but it's Spanish writing. So we're in the middle of Mexico again, bro. Benavida. Bro, how am I even meant to know, like, where half of these places... This is like the impossible round, bruv. What even is this about? Can I have something, like, at least semi-fucking guessable? Alright, here we go. Merv Modhaus. It's like Dutch, German, French-ish. Don't know where the fuck that road sign's from. Bison Centre. What's the country that speaks German that I always forget, isn't it? Austria. Yeah, boom. 44 miles away, that's pretty based. Alright, chat, we're getting better, we're getting better. I wonder where this is. Okay, now the question is, where the fuck is Ottawa? There we go. Okay, holy comeback! Holy comeback. We're on, chat, we're on. It was blue and white, German, Austrian, Canada, yeah. Do you trade? Does it? What are you thinking on EU, Lou? Buys, bro, but we've been waiting for a retracement for ages, bro. This whole morning we've been waiting for a retracement. I do still think we can go higher. I think we could potentially go to this high here. Especially on GU, I do think, GU especially, we can go to this high. So, yeah, I would definitely be looking for buys up to this high. So, I mean, just if we do get that retracement or not, bro. But I would definitely be bullish for sure. I'd be looking for buys. Oh, I think this is German. I think that's German. This doesn't look like fucking Germany, though, does it? Francienga. This has got to be Italy, innit? Let's go Sicily. Okay, it was Rome. Alright, silver medal. Boom! I carried that hard as well. I carried that hard. Selling EU right now, but I think I might get taken out. How come you're selling, bro? Yo, bro, who fake accounts about you requested me this morning, same name. Wait, what? He fake accounts about of you. Oh, hella fake accounts about you this morning, same name. Yeah, bro. Yeah, you get bears, bro. It's so annoying. Small risk gonna have fair play. What's your thinking behind that, bro? Lou, I sent you an important DM on my Instagram on Discord. Gee, show me your fib settings. I use different ones, bro. If you're thinking about the OTE, which is this one, then it's right here, bro. I'm going to block some of you fucking guys. Oh my god, I don't even want to show you, man, this one. How's AI let you do that? Bruv, I look like fucking, do you want me to tell you what I look like? What's her name? Lady Gaga, bruv. Wait, do I? I can't really tell. Nah, I don't really. I don't know. I don't like that. I look like a... If I was actually a real... But I would look like angry as hell. I don't like that. I've got no tits either. Okay, seriously, guys. Stop telling me you got something really important to tell me. I open my DM and it's me AI'd. Like, please. Cara Delevingne, Taylor Swift. To be fair, at least I'm a bit of a looker as a woman. At least I'm not a dog. In a distro zone, or what you think, guys? Call an order block. Want to see it come lower to 695 levels, then accumulate back up 695. Oh yeah, so you're only about 10 pips down. Yeah, fair play. Fair play, bro. Yeah, I just don't really see any POIs that are going to deliver that much. But if you're only aiming for like 10, 20 pips, I definitely think What's this game of trying to do that? Wait, this game GeoGuessr. Yeah, we did get a silver medal, boys. So I will be dropping a discount for the one-to-one mentorship. I'm going to be dropping a 50% off for the one-to-one mentorship. As soon as I jump off, I'm going to be dropping that in the Discord, boys. So if you are somebody who watches my streams, likes the way I trade, and does want to get access to all of my videos, both of my daily live streams with my members, and obviously one-to-one sessions with me, but you're a tight bastard and you don't want to pay the 150. After this live, I'm going to drop a 50% off so you can get in for 75%, well, 75 quid a month. Which for all of my videos, 2 daily live streams, one-to-one sessions with me, is a fucking insane steal. And I don't even really want to do it. But I cooked that GeoGuessr so hard, we're going to have to. It's the rules. Show 6E, please. Oh, no, I don't really trade futures, bro. I'll be honest. Let me know what you're looking for it, and then I'll let you know if I agree or not, bro. I'll have a look at it in a sec. Oh, 116, not 117. Wait, what? Oh, 116. Fuck me. Yeah, no, I don't think we're going to come that far down. Well, not especially not today. Thing is, with a trade that high, bro, we do have a lot of news in a bit. So we got, obviously, NFP for the dollar. So aiming for them, like, 100 pip moves. It's going to be very difficult today. Reduced risk already. Wait. Reduced risk already. So, but bro, you're aiming for like 100 odd pips. Wait. So if you're aiming for 116, that is like. Yeah, it's like 100 pips basically. Give trade. How about you give brain? How about that? Okay, that was a silver medal. That was an absolute carry. Hill Road. Tesla. Yeah, this is going to go ahead and be Maine. It's going to be this lake right here. Oh, it's literally the complete other side of America. Sweet. Jesus. Looks like something you'd see on Just Cause. Wherever it is, I do not want to be lost here on my own. I'll tell you that much. I'm going to go like southern. It's got to be on the coast. Let's just go here. Fucking chilly, bro. How's anyone meant to know that as well? Like, what the actual fuck? Oh, this is Spain, I think. I mean, Barcelona. Yes, this is Barcelona. I've been here. This is Barcelona. 100% this is Barcelona. Only thing is, there's no way of knowing where in Barcelona you are. Oh my days, I've seen an Airbnb in that fucking building before. I've literally seen an Airbnb. Trying to look for that big old basilica thing, but I can't see it. So we're probably quite near it. Bro, where's... Oh, I'm looking at France, bro. Wow, that wasn't... Bro, I thought Barcelona was the only place that looked like that. I was sure I'd like seen Airbnbs in that exact building. Did not know that was all of Spain. That's pretty crazy. Are you on Universal Credit? I'm the Universal Credit final boss, bro. I get paid like 30 grand a month from Universal Credit. Yeah, I trade different strategy to you, but I enjoy coming here to watch the lives. I'm also trading, also give some additional perspective. Yeah, defo, Mitch, man. It's always good to talk about different perspectives in your trading. That's the thing. It's never always like so clear one way or the other. If it's ever that clear, then like what me and Mate was saying the other day is when you get people coming in live saying, "Oh, it's definitely bearish, it's definitely bullish." Like a hedge fund would never be that sure on anything. Do you know what I mean? So it's definitely normal to have two different biases. Alright, this round's bullshit. Oh, mate. Can we get... Oh, come on, bro. How the fuck... This is... Oh, it's on a golf course. It's got to be Mexico City, innit? Golf course in Mexico City. That was America. Holy Aura. Where is this? I don't think this is Japan. This looks more like Chinese than Japan. Is that a big cell? I really don't think this is Japan. Apparently it is Japan. I think this is China, I'll be real. I would have gone Hong Kong. I'm gonna go Hong Kong. Yeah, it was China, it was Beijing. When are you going to reimburse me for flights and hotel? Can't wait to link you in Barca. So you can't wait to link you in Barca. When are you going to be... Why would I pay for your flights and hotel? What are you going to do? Come there and nosh me off or something? You think you're like... China, let's go. Come on, China. Bruv. Oh, they're Mexican. I'm sure they're Mexican. I'm sure these are Mexican. I'm going to go Mexico City for the 7 millionth time. Fuck. This is somewhere shit in England. Where the fuck's Debden, bruv? This is like, this ain't here, but fuck it, it's near enough. Fucking hell, what? Oh, I thought that was like underwater, bruv. This has got to be a stupid country. Yep, told you it was a stupid country. Wait. That's not Dutch, is it? That's got to be Swedish. Let's go Gothenburg. It sounds pretty cool, to be fair. Yeah, it was Sweden. Bro, I'm good at getting the countries, but I'm like 500 miles off, like, in the countries. Stoke-on... How the fuck did you know that was Stoke-on-Trent? I messaged you my bank details on Discord, right? I'll probably block you when the DM comes through, bro. Russia. Holy Russia. I thought I caught a generational short yesterday. Literally top tip, the Daily Candle. How we back up already. Mate, trust me. There's a mad chop yesterday, but that's what we said, bro. It was just to fill this... that 4-hour CRT. So nice where we completed that. What I always look for, chat, is a POI just underneath our CRT low. That's when you find a really good trade. This hourly order block. Price swept the CRT high, CRT low. We tapped in and then we just rallied. That's why I was looking for longs. Even when I was here, I was looking for longs, but it's really hard to get in. But mind you, price is slowing down a little bit now, so hopefully we can get... I mean, price has literally hit our TP already, which is jarring. Yeah, we'll be dropping a discount though, boys, for the one-to-one mentorship after this. 50% off. Best discount we've ever done. Well, only discount we've ever done on this for any members. Sergio Vigari. I'm trying to find out where in Italy this is. Fuck it, I'm going to go... I always guess Sicily just because of The Godfather. I kind of knew that one, mate. It was too green for Sicily anyway. You show me road numbers in the UK, I'll know it. Jesus, alright. I'm going to hold the short, still like the idea. What's that? Was that for EU or GU, bro? Oh, this is... Bro, this looks like Chicago. Surely this is Chicago. Bro, you just know there's gang violence in this area. This is like Chicago or like... Where's the place where that other guy's from? Oh, what's that guy called? This fucking guy. Oh, Philadelphia. Is this Philly? Is this Philly or Chicago, boys? Philly or Chicago? Let's go Chicago. Where's the shit area of Chicago? Fuck, it's all shit, innit? Bro, it was Toronto Fairs. Knew that there was just some bookie shit going on. Detroit, Eminem. I'm relatively new to trading. Is this market? Well, no, it's not always like this, bro. We've got a lot of fundamental stuff going on right now. So, first of all, there's mainly you dropping a discount for monthly or lifetime, bro. What I'll do, boys, I can drop it for both, so you guys can just pick which one you want, boys. Oh, yeah, by the way, if you do... Oh, shit, I just realised I may have actually fucked myself. We might have bare people buying lifetime. I mean, it is going to be half price lifetime, and when you buy lifetime, you do get a free 25k funded account. So, shit. I'll drop it after, though, boys. As I said, half price, you get monthly or lifetime. If you do get lifetime, that comes with, as I said, free 25k funded account from ACG. Obviously, a challenge account, but still. Yeah, I was thinking like a Detroit area. Okay, this is somewhere I know. This can really catch you off guard and be Singapore, but I'm sure it's Thailand. I don't think it's Vietnam. It could be Cambodia. I think it's Thailand, to be honest. Be like northeastern Thailand. Yeah, kind of. Wasn't the worst guess. I tell you what, boys. Everyone who is trying to get that, just send me a DM right now. If you are trying to get in the lifetime or the month, just send me a DM and ask me any questions you want, so I can just text you back like your own the question, just so you know for when I drop it. Just messaging Lou. Just messing Lou. Appreciate it. I know which one of you are only here to joke about, or who like joking about, should I say? But yeah, Angry Bean, what's your Discord, bro? Just send me a message on there so I can answer any questions you may have. Oh, yeah. And we do have Klarna for lifetime as well. Fuck me, I've just realised how unbelievable I've made this deal. We do have Klarna for lifetime as well, so you can pay in 3 or 4 different installments, which is a touch for you guys, I'm not going to lie. So you get 50% off, and you can pay in installments, and you get a free 25k funded. Oh, shit. Alright, just message me, boys. I'll answer any of your questions. I've just realised I've kind of made this sale too good. Okay, I'm not going to reduce it because I've said it now, but... Shit, bruv. 50% off, and you can Klarna it, and you get a free 25k account, and access to both my streams, 100 of my videos, all to do my strategies, and one-to-ones with me. Shit. Okay. I may have low-key cooked myself. We'll see, though. We'll see. Alright, this is... We should get this. Okay, this is Portugal. Where in Portugal is this? Who's ever been Portugal? Let me know. Right, it's on the coast. Yes, it is on the coast. Okay, it must be here. It must be Lisbon, right? Boom. But yeah, you can play with Klarna, boys, which is a touch now for you guys. Yeah, Lisbon, Big Mill's got that. Oh, this is Idaho, bruv. Look at all these fucking... Where's Idaho, though? Don't know where Idaho is, so I'm just gonna go... Alright, then. Holy guess. Boys, I nearly got a gold medal there. Fucking hell. And no one even chipped in. This is all on, to be fair, Statch and Big Mills both did say Lisbon, and we could have even got a better score if I listened to Simon on the UK one. But we're cooking, boys. I can see a gold medal coming on right now. I can see a gold. That's another silver medal, so we have to run the discount. There's no question. These buses are good because it always says where it is. .tr. Is that Turkey? Yeah, Ankara. We may be off for another winner, boys. Where's Turkey? It's got to be Ankara, innit? 1 mile away. Fucking hell, chat. We're on for a biblical run here. A biblical run. Everyone lock in with this. Everyone lock in. Yo, everyone lock in. It's the... Oh, bro. Soon as okay, wait, white roof, red buildings, sauna. This could be that's a sauna, I think. This could be Finland, but they have different road markings. I feel like this is Canada. The road's quite big as well. Now they have like yeah, and they got the signs as well. This really does look like Finland based on the buildings and the fucking this and just the colours of the house. But this house looks like it was built in about 12 days, and the roads are really wide and they don't have the right road markings. So I think this is like Canada, to be fair. We're in Montreal. Yeah, it was. Well, it was America, but it was a lot closer than if we went fucking Finland. This looks like Southern England. I'm gonna go like down. I was gonna go down here, but I think they speak a different language. I'm gonna go here. Ah, bro, I would have been right next to it. Shit. I thought it was south because it looked quite warm, bro. So it's where the Amish men. Oh, that was. Oh shit, that was Amish. No way. That was in Amish. That's mad. Okay, yeah, this is one of them ones where you're just fucked. Hay bales. I think you get like hay bales in New Zealand. Apparently, I heard that, but New Zealand's a risk because if it's wrong, you're fucked. Yeah. That was a really good round, but I've just fucked it with that. PL. Where's PL? Poland. Actually looks like quite a nice block, innit? Like, as blocks go, it looks nicer than UK blocks, innit? Okay, Poland. Poland it is. Where are you, Poland? We'll go Warsaw. No way. Yeah, we are trading, bro, but the market's just dead. Sibby. Are you in the trade now, bro? I'll be honest. We're waiting for EUGU longs, but they're just not coming in, boys. So we're just trying to like waste time, really. Not waste time, but just enjoy ourselves on this Friday, boys. Just enjoy ourselves. Just enjoy ourselves, man. Try and sit. Why the fuck's there Arab? Why is there Arabic? This looks like America. He's Mexican. Why is there Arabic? Sin burn is prevented by using sunscreen. Wow. That's actually kind of based. I'm just fucking screenshot that. But this is either Texas or like Southern. It could be LA. I don't know. Fuck, I'm gonna go Tuscan. I feel like it could be San Diego. Bruv, what? How? How the fuck was that Canada, bruv? Mexico, South. But yeah, do you know what I mean? I was sure it was like hot. Lost 1k yesterday. How comes, Caden? What was you trading, bro? Market, but yeah, market has been terrible this week, but boys, I won't lie, it's not been the best week. But it's fine, it's absolutely fine. When we trade consistent, boys, I've had times where I've placed like 2 trades a month and made fucking 8 grand in a month. So just off like trading one account, 200k. So it's absolutely fine. If there's a shit week, your goal should be just don't piss away the money. A few not last week. The week that was last week. No, yeah, last week and the week before we had like 10% and then 4%, which is a crazy overperformance. So if we get nothing this week and nothing next week, then it's like it's a normal month. It's still a fucking beautiful month. Obviously, this is only the first week in the month, so if it's slow, that's calm. We still got 3 more full weeks to go to make our profit for the month, so it's calm. This has got to be South America. Again, I'm just going to go Mexico City. It's got to be Mexico City, surely. Why did they have those? Fucking hell, right, this is Africa. It's got to be South America. Oh, wait. And these guys do not look African. PSG kit. Any ideas, chat? This has got to be like Venezuela, innit? Okay, Brazil. Oh, yeah, because of Neymar. That's probably why. What's your profit goal for the month, bro? 5%, man. 5% is what I aim for on a monthly basis. If you're on a good... you got to think, only 200k and that's 10 bags. I've got about 800k, so... Obviously, you don't see all 8 bags from it, but you got a profit split translated to pounds, etc., etc., but still... How was that Canada? Trust me, bro. What was that even about? Chat, lock in with this because we're getting cooked recently. I'm not going to lie. Right, this is fucking Scotland. Let's go St Andrews. Fuck knows where. Faroe Islands, bro. Is this whole round just been a pure and utter troll, bruv, or what? Okay, now if this isn't Tokyo, look how respectful they're being. Look, don't walk past. It's Pokemon. Like, don't move, don't walk past. Brother, Japan's just so wholesome, man. Japan's just so fucking wholesome. They never complain about getting nuked as well, which they have every fucking right to. Boom, it was Tokyo. Right, we kind of clutched up at the end with that, but... Don't you make like 4% a trade? Why is your goal for a month 5%? Yeah, but you see me make 4% in a trade, bro. But then I'll also lose trades as well. You got to think. My win rate is about 50%, just above. But this year it's like 55 to 60. But overall, since I've really full time been trading, my win rate is basically 50%. So I take 2 trades, make 4. Well, and it's not always 4% as well. Sometimes I make 2 or 3%. So I do a 3% trade. Why, bro? I'm literally speaking to the whole live. Why have they restricted me? Respect to Japan. Yeah, trust me, Sam. Respect to Japan. So say I make 3%, then I lose 1%. That's 1 week. And then the next week I might lose 1%. So now I'm on 1% total. The next week I might make 4%. And then lose 1%, then lose 1%. So it's easy to look at one trade and think your results are going to be amazing. And then let's say I'd have another 2%. So now we got 0, 4, 3, 2, 3. So yeah, that's 5%. That's with 1, 2. That's with 4 losses, 3 wins. So I would normally have another win, to be fair. But yeah, that's basically how it works, bro. It's not like every trade I get in hits the 4% TP. I'll have maybe one trade. I normally have, to be fair, over 2 weeks, I normally have like a 4%er and a 2%er. And then probably like 2 losses in between that, to be fair. And that's like a good 2 weeks. And that's obviously 4%. And then the next 2 weeks are probably a bit slower. And in total of those next 2 weeks, I'll probably make only like 1%. Which obviously equals total of 5%. Is this done and dusted then? Oh no, it's still going. Yo, chat, who knew that reform was... how much you risk per trade? 1%, bro. Now, Japan is cooked. I'll be real. If you're a transfer from a different country in their school, you're cooked. Why is that, bro? Who knew the Green Party was only big on social media? Who knew the Green Party was only big on... Oh, mate, the amount of people hard shilling Greens. So funny. It's actually so funny. Yo, chat, who did you vote for? Let me know in the comments who you voted for. Who did you vote for, boys? Appeal not approved. Labour totally cooked, no surprise. Mate, Labour, alright, these are the results, right? So starting Residents Association, 22. They are down by 14 votes. The Green Party are 52. They're up by 27 votes. Well, not votes, but you know what I fucking mean. The Lib Dems, I don't know how the Lib Dems are still at 250. They're up 37 points. Labour at 250. They've blown like 250. Conservatives have blown 180. So Conservatives are now beating Labour, but they've both lost votes from last time. And Reform were the overall winners. They are up from 2 to 400. That is what, like a 2,000, well, what? 20,000% gain? I think, or 2,000. Yeah, 20,000. Yeah, that's crazy. Played Karimu. Oh, you're from Wales, Fez. Who even, like, respectfully, bro, does it really matter? I swear you guys just have the same two parties with the same amount of seats, like, every fucking year. And they block some councils from voting. How democratic. Why did they block them? That's crazy. Labour totally... Yeah. Oh, yeah, they did, didn't they? They tried to push it back as well. Reform now, then restore. I voted Reform. I don't vote, but if I were to, would be Reform. Then why didn't you vote, bro? You should vote. Yeah, the green shield on IG is mental. Just a bunch of blue airs commenting loads of green hearts. Yeah, trust me. Trust me. I voted Reform. Yeah, most people basically said they voted Reform, apart from the people that are from like Wales and Scotland, I imagine, had like different reasonings. It's crazy how much green, so they didn't get totally. Yeah, trust me, Simon, bro. It's a mock. Everyone on TikTok, double tap the screen, boys. Fuck it. Let's just go live with this guy. What do you want, mate? Hello.
Hello, brother. Where you from?
I'm from London. Where are you from?
I am from Puristan.
Do you want to help me play a game quickly, and then I'll battle you? Where is this in the world? Which country?
Country? No, I don't know.
Oh yeah, no one knows. It's kind of the point of the game, bro. Just have a guess.
Okay. Goodbye. I play match, girls.
Guess. Guess which country. Guess. Fucking hell. Well, I'll do it myself then. This is, here. I'm just waiting for him to say India, but he just didn't. Puristan. Yeah, innit? Puristan. Yeah, innit? Where the fuck did he say Puristan? I feel like I've seen this place. No, I haven't. Where's this chat? SE. .se. Oh. Alright, chat. I'm going to put on some tunes now as well. Let's put on a Tim Westwood just because they last ages. Any other song requests, let me know. Stockholm, yeah, my Swedish geography is woeful. This guy makes me laugh so much, bruv. Sorry. So let's just rerun this. Right now we're bringing you that fire, kid. Harlem O. Understand what's about to go down. Lowski, Biz, Scratcher, Seco, AD, Phineas, NM. Mad move, let's go, baby. Harlem O. Shouts out Q, shouts out Q. If you didn't know. Shouts out Moscow, come on. I just looked at that thing and it said Stockholm. Wow, that's in Manny, mate. Boys, I've been using This is not Japan before someone says it. Westwood is a creep, trust me. Do you know him? This is going to be Taiwan. You ready? Taipei, ready? Ready? I'm in my flow state right now. I'm in my flow state. In my flows. Bruh, when I'm in my flow state, why give me this, bro? I don't know where this is. No idea where this is. Just go Mexico. Fuck it, let's go Turkey. Fucking America, bruv. How am I actually meant to know that shit, bro? Real talk. Stop giving me the middle of the fucking motorway, bro. Looks like Taiwan. Yeah, trust me. Vietnam, 100%. Mexico. Yeah, bro, that's what I thought. Fucking America. This looks like South America. I mean, this looks like South Africa would have. But these trees do not look South African. Wow, Russia. Why is there sand, bro? You're in Russia. This has got to be Spain, right? Swear to God, if this is Mexico City, I'm going to bug out. Boom. I used to roll with a few of the guys, and West always mad creeper with younger girls. Yeah, hasn't he got like Nick for that and stuff? It's Canada Trust, obviously Africa. Oh, holy switch up. Yeah, I knew him 2004, 208 times. Yeah, I've heard some mad stories about him. I obviously never met him or nothing like that, but I've just heard on the news and shit. Yo, this actually looks nice. Yo, for offices, this looks nice, bro. This is what, Moscow, not Moscow. Fucking, what's the capital of, Warsaw, innit? Yeah, this has got to be, that actually looks nice, bro, for an office. It's got to be Warsaw, right? That's their capital, innit? It's got to be Warsaw, surely. This ain't Warsaw, bro. Yeah. It actually looks nice, bruv. Yo, that's cold, bruv. Chat, I'm not gonna lie, for fucking, how much is this? Like 150 a night. Bruv, again, in the middle of fucking nowhere, I don't know. Who would want to live in Poland? I'm not gonna lie, Poland's nice, bro. I've been in Poland before. I'm getting cooked, boys. Yeah, he's been doing the madness for years. He needs pen for real. Is he? He's not Nick now though. I think the charges got dropped against him. But yeah. Oh, bro, they look bun. Ugh. Oh my days. What is this, bro? They're like fairy, bro. Like, how the fuck am I meant to know where this is as well? America. Oh my god, I'm getting cooked so badly, chat. And this ain't going to be no better either. Japan. Oh, fuck. Oh, it's not even England, bruv. Fuck's sake. It looks like gloomy Egypt, I swear it's there. It can't be into the pyramids. Thailand. Yeah, that's what I'm saying, bro. I'm guessing like all the same as you and I keep getting cooked. Yeah, he bummed Stormzy or something. I don't think, look at life. If he managed to bum Stormzy, bro, you shouldn't even arrest him for that. Like, that's impressive. Stormzy's fucking huge and the geezer's like 70 years old. Nicest one is always JME. He's the one who links up with the Sidemen now, isn't it? How the fuck's that Northern India, bruv? Oh, this is somewhere in the middle of fucking America, innit? Just fucking go. Oh, bro, boys, I'm getting biblically cooked. Lou, you got a hop. See you Monday. Enjoy. Sweet, bro. Have a good one. I don't know the Sidemen are. Like KSI and that. You don't know KSI and all that? Oh, I'm getting fucking finished. I'm getting fried, boys. I'm getting absolutely fried. It's a cool little motor, that. Alright, finally a somewhat decent guess. Fucking hell. Right, this is going to be a good one, chat. That was all a practice round. Right, we've learned from our mistakes. I'm going to go Northern India in this one. Go Jaipur. They have pretty cool burgers on the signs here. Bengali has many triangle symbols in its writing. I fucking know, but the whole of India speaks Bengali, apparently. I thought it was only a little part of it, but no. Again, like, bruv, you joking? How am I meant to know, bruv? Just somewhere in America. Damn, how quick you go from young to old is wild. Yeah, facts. Facts. I'm not even at that unk status yet. Egypt for real this time. Yeah, lock in. Never mind. Bro, I'm locked in. I'm locked in. I'm locked in. I'm locked in, chat. I'm locked in. Okay, this is easy. This is going to be Oregon. You can see the Oregon Trail. Oh my god, it couldn't have been further from fucking Oregon in the same... Yeah, it would be a lot more helpful if you moved out of the way. Rocco. Is this Argentina or Mexico? It's got to be Mexico. Wow. Right, this one. Oh, okay, I'm gonna get this one. This is a piss-hole area of America. I'm gonna go like some, I don't know, shit place like there. All right, cool. That's not the worst. Not the worst. Oh, bro. Like seriously, like what am I even meant to do here? Where? Yes! We've got one! We've got one. We got one, boys. Thank God for that. We actually got one. Boom! 2 miles. We're back. We're back. We're back. We're back. We're back. We are so back. Boom! We're back! We're so back. We're so back, boys. We are so back. We're back, people. Yeah, Kim, that's great. Oh, yeah, because you knew that other rapper as well, Kims, didn't you? I just realised my face cam's not on. Yeah, chat, I will be dropping that discount. I know we're getting cooked now, but we was cooking earlier, so I will allow it. Alright, this has got to be Mexico City. Guatemala. Bro, is Mexico City no longer on this game? I used to always guess Mexico. Oh, silver again. Alright, chat, we're cooking. I told you we're back. I told you we're back. Right, we're not back. We are not back, chat. We're not back at all. Yo, chat, you know them Tim Westwoods where the main guy finishes and everyone else just jumps on? Like, bro. My time was Dizzy, Kano, Gets, Wiley, etc. Gets, slow, not ghettos. Yeah, boys, I'm not going to lie. With those rappers, people beg it. Like, people's always like, oh, mate, Gets is so good. Gets is so good. He's shit. Let's listen to one of his songs. And I know this is going to probably offend all the fucking grime purists here. I guarantee you, we put on a Gets song, I guarantee it'll be shit. Guarantee it. It's the first one that come up. Guarantee you this won't be good. Bro, these are like bars I'd write in fucking year 11. YOLO, which meta trade you before, 4 or 5? 5, bro. Defo 5. 5's better. Lol, Gets was alright. I prefer Chip personally. Chip's literally like from a few... I've literally just doxed myself there. I'm just going to stop what I was about to say. If you really love it... This is probably... I've heard this too many times to appreciate it anymore, but... This is a banger as well. Who knows about this one, chat? Dub in the chat if you know about this. It said Italy. Why is it in Australia? It was just an Italian restaurant, bro. I thought it was... Yeah. Mate, drink some water. Why do you keep saying that? I actually really do. Bro, is it just me? When you drink coffee, your mouth gets drier than before. It makes no sense. It's like eating something and being hungrier after. It's fucking weird. How was that Germany, bro? Oh, it's Luxembourg. Well, I'm in the buy now, but I still think I'm in the buy. No rappers have been there. Out to buy, 5 the brown, 5 the white. No retracement, boys, I'll be honest. Neither, even on gold, boys, we're still waiting for this inversion. Literally nothing's happening. We do have a lot of news at 1 though, boys, bear in mind. Bear in mind. How's that Northern America? I just don't get it. One mile. Berlin's quite small. I would have thought it would be bigger than that. Yeah, chat, what I'll be looking to do on gold is if we can invert this, I'll be looking for a retap. So, close above, retest, and then... So I'll be waiting for this. 50%. Stop loss below the low. TP at that external high. We have got this 8-hour CRT as well. Bro said this Serrano off the rocks. I remember being 15 years old and not being able to hack any alcohol. So you picked the sweetest one. Disaronno on the rocks with some Baileys, bro. Holy 16-year-old. Was he? He probably was 16 in this, to be fair to him. Anyone done for the day? I'll let run till Friday high now. Yeah, if you are in these longs, boys, you're laughing. You're laughing. Why does this fucking guy keep coming in, telling me to drink water, then leaving? I think I'm done with this game after this. Yeah, I'm done with this game. I'm done with this game. I'm done. Is this the fucking same place as we've just had? The Toronto on its own with ice is peng though. Yeah, you know, it is nice, I suppose. What are you looking for on GU? Defo buys, bro, but we're just not going to get that retracement. We're just not going to get it. We haven't really moved at all in like... Yeah, we haven't moved in over an hour now. Like, genuinely not moved an inch. Do a Wordle. I might sell with you right now, not gonna lie. Why are you selling, bro? Good morning, Luau. I'm all good, John. How are you, bro? Do a Wordle. Fuck it. Let's do the Wordle. Don't fucking spoil it as well. Someone in the chat always spoils it, bro. Alright, what are we guessing for the first one? Fuck it, we'll do semen. Actually, no, there's only one vowel. That's probably a shit one. We're going to do it in a based way. Oh, we can't. Alright, chat. I need some help now. I need some help. I need some help on this one, chat. What is this? So the U must be here or here. No, because it doesn't help us. Fuck. Chat, I need help here, boys. I'm not gonna lie. Chat, what are we saying? Pebble. I'm gonna flip you off. Ultra, that's a good one. It's a great guess. It's a great guess. It's a great guess. Oh, you can't move it. What could it be? Under? No, because it ends in RA. So that must be. There's no N. It's not this, right? It's not. It might be F, it might be C. It might be B or M. We need to try this, and these two. Gold longs. Yeah, I would be looking for gold longs, but I don't really trade it, as someone said. But yeah, that's what I'll be looking for. Umbra. Is Umbra a word? An Umbra is the darkest central part of a shadow. Fuck me, so they've given us the hardest word in the world. Dub. Bruv. I didn't even know. Did anyone know that was a word? An umbra is the darkest central part of a shadow where a light source is completely blocked by an occluding body. Yeah, I think I'm always going to start... Piss off. I think I'm... Bro, can I not see it? I think I'm always going to start off with pound and euros. That's kind of, like, based right there. I'm not going to lie, boys. I rate that. Yeah, I'm going to jump off now. I'm not going to lie. Nothing is going on in this market. I've been trying to entertain you, boys, but... When there's nothing going on in the charts, man, there's no point us just staring at it and pissing about. But you've got to wait for it to come down. If it don't want to come down, it don't want to come down. Bear in mind, we do have a lot of news at obviously 120 and 130. The main, obviously, this 120 news will be important, but the 130 news is going to be the main thing, NFP. So yeah, 130, bear in mind, we are going to have a pretty big move. Play chess. Bro, I can't fucking play chess. I don't know how to play chess. Fuck it, I'll play one game of chess because this guy wants me to play chess. Okay, let's play. Fuck's sake, I'll actually continue with it. Log in. Okay. Okay, apparently Mace is... Okay, new game. Well, what am I? Oh shit, I'm playing against someone. Come on and... Oh, what? Why have I got 2 goes? Wait, what? Oh, this guy's a pussy, bro. Well, you got to defend your king, didn't you? So you basically need to take out his king. Well, this boy is just going to be travelling up the left wick, just sneaking. I've never played chess before. What did he move his horses? Why is he moving his horses? Is he trying to activate? I'm just going to keep creeping up the wings. I like the wing play. Then my fullbacks are going to push up. Then I'm going to invert the fullbacks in. Trust me, boys. I've seen this before. I know what I'm doing. See, this guy's moving centrally. He doesn't know what he's talking. I feel like I should keep these hit. Actually, no. You know what? I'm going to use little defence. You know what I mean? Push forward. Keep that nice defensive base. Come on, bro. Tell you... I can take that, innit? Why can't I take that? Alright, say nothing, bro. I'm going to just keep on pushing up into your half. We'll see what you're about, mate. Shit, he's really near to my king here. Alright, but look, now I block him in, bruv, and he's cooked. Wait, let me... Bruv, why can't I move to there? What can I move then? This? No, I don't really want to move that. He can take this thing straight out, innit? What do I do? What do I do here, chat? Only can take diagonally. So can I take that? No, so he can take that out, then I'm cooked, bruv. Shit, what? Shit, I just gotta reappeal this. Let me just leave it, bruv. I don't want to get taken down. G, you update. Give me 2 secs, bro. Fuck it. I'm just going to push him. Let's see what he's about. He's going to take that out, and I've just realised. Fuck it. Let's see what he's about. How's he gone there? Oh, shit. I forgot he could do that. Bro, I'm cooked. So he could take out that now. But wait. So if he takes out that. So if he takes out that. Or that. I need to be positioned to cook him. So if I move that, I can take it out. I'm sure this is a 100 IQ play. That guy asking for a GU update sells trading services. Wow. Oh, what? I can't even take him out. Pussy. He knew not to. He knew straight away not to step with me. Oh, I kind of get the point of this now. Should I just take out that then? Suck you. Really, bro? You're actually a bitch for that, bro. No cap. But he can just take this out. Fuck it. Pawns diagonal, horses L-shape, bishops diagonals, castle. Where did he go? Did he go here? Bro, what are you trying to do? You think you're slick or something, bro? So you can only take diagonally. So right now he can't touch me. Then he's going to go there. If he goes there, I can take him out. Oh, no. Oh, shit. This is harder than it looks, isn't it? Bro, he's... So this horse... Oh, the horse can move different places. I rate that. I'm going to move the horse out then. See what the horse is about. But that's his king, no? Give me that. Bro, that's diagonally. Why can't I get it? No, that's his... Is that his king? No, that's his queen. Why can't I take that out, chat? Why can't I take that? If I go there, he's going to go there and then... Bro, why can't I move any of my fucking cards? What the hell? Okay, let's go there. What? Bro, how did he take... What? How, bro? How the fuck have I just lost? How? Nah, that was you man's fault, bro. That was fucking you guys' fault. Told me you can only move diagonal and I've got done like that. Bruv, no. Bruv, that was all you guys' fault. I'm not going to lie. What are you trying to do, big man? Come on, then. Bruv, everyone moves these horses ASAP. Say nothing. Let's get these horses moving. Bean. Why can I not take it? Come on, then. See, this is the king one. This is what confuses me. You can move this anywhere, basically. Come on in, mate. How did you never learn chess? I'll swap chess lessons for trade. Yeah, look at him retreating. He didn't want any of it. Did not want anything. Pawn to d4. Brother, he's going to take me out. If he takes me out, bro. Bro, why have you told me to fucking do that? Oh, to be fair, I just took him back. Got licked in his face. Okay, everyone's telling me my next move. The horse move. Oh, what did he just move? Did he just move his king left once? How does this thing move? So this thing can go anywhere. Oh, wait. So can I not lick him there? No? So this thing can move wherever you want it to move. He can take that pawn now. What, this one? How? I'm going to keep pushing this horse up, you know. Oh, he can take that with that, innit? I want to bring these horses out. I feel like these horses are quite OP. I'm going to take that. I like these horses. They move quite well around. This guy don't even know what to do. I've confused the fuck out of him from the ability that I purely possess. Look at him moving these irrelevant cards, bro. My horse is absolutely going to cook your card in a minute, mate. I'm just going to tighten that defence. Because now he thinks the right wing's open. He's going to try to push the right wing, and then we're going to shift over and cook him. And then he's going to expose his king, and I'm going to take it. Yeah, love for that. Oh, I'm cooked tonight. I'd move my castle one space left and then trap the king. What, here, yeah? I don't really... I'm going to lose off that, aren't I? Oh, no. Okay. Bro, how can I even take that one card out? Okay, I don't want to move him away from the king. Where now? Bishop C. Bishop C to G5, 30 move. Bishop C to G5. Bro, I can't. I've got a fucking card there already. Move horse to D1. Oh, shit, I don't know where this actually went. Was it here? Horse to D1. What? Move horse to D2. So here. No. Here. No, here. Why would I do that? I feel like I need to... Dickhead. Oh, shouldn't have said that. Get done, mate. Oh, shit. That seemed like a good play. Can he take this? If I put this there, can he take it? If I put this there, can he take it? Where can this crown move? Can it go sideways? Move pawn B2 to B3. B2 to B3. Bruv, like, are we watching the same... Oh, okay, my bad. If he takes that out, bruv, I swear. Oh, this guy's a bottle job, man. He don't want any of it, man. He's got his king in a 30 position. What if I bang it there? He's just going to take it out, isn't he? Wait, no, he can't take that out. Can the castle go forward? Oh, it can. Oh, no. Wait, that can get licked out, surely. I'll take that out, innit? Surely. Licked. Where should I move my castle to, then? Is it my go? Oh, shit. Where do I... Oh, mate, this don't look good. I think this is where I push heavy. What if I pushed it? Oh, he's got that formation set up nicely, to be fair to him. Where do I go? Now move your castle up one. What, this castle? I've only got one castle. Okay. Bro, this guy's gonna fucking take out my king in a minute, bro. Where can that... So this can't even... Can this thing just take out my king now? So I'm finished, basically. Oh, wait, I'm running out of time. Shit. Bruv, nothing can move. Mate, chess is terrible, bro. Game review. Bruv, who wants a game review, bro? Piss off.
Not every game goes your way, but there are always some...
Bruv, shut up about every game don't go your way. How about I turn... Okay. Mate, can I just play another game? This has really pissed me off now. I have to play again and win. Bruv, play again. I don't want to fucking watch a game I've just lost. Why would anyone... Who's ever lost it? Oh, I want to sit here and watch this game I've just got absolutely popped about. Nah, this game is terrible, boys. This game's shit. This game's for fucking nerds as well. Like, who actually knows how to play this, bro? Like, seriously. Worst player. Come on in, bruv. Let's fucking have it. Oh, I can't be asked to learn how every fucking one moves. A pawn versus a horse. We're going to cook you, mate. I'm going to go have a good weekend sweep. Horses can't move forward, innit? They can't go for top one. What do I do? This guy's a clown, bruv. How? Yeah, you're cooked now, buddy. People always move this one, like, to the maddest of places, but it never lets me move it. Like, why? Why does it... Bruv, what? What the fuck can I do? Chat, can you tell me what to do, bruv? Because I don't know. It's not letting me move any of my cards. So the only move I can do makes me guaranteed to lose. Fuck this game, bro. Just take it out, you divvy fucker. So look, again, I can't move any card other than this. Fuck this game, bro. Alright, chat, I'm going to jump off. Alright, I'll catch you in a bit, boys. Sweet TikTok. Alright, chat, we'll be live for the New York session anyway. I'm going to drop that discount as well in the chat, so everyone be ready for that discount to get dropped. Appreciate you, man, watching, boys. And I will catch you in the next stream. What a shit day. Wow. So that really shit day rhymes off a really shit week. Basically, no trades all week. No trades all week. And no trades today. So a terrible trading week, boys. Absolutely terrible. Probably, honestly, the worst trading week I've ever seen. And I'm not just saying that because like, I'm overreacting. Genuinely, I've never seen a week where there's genuinely not been one single possible winning trade. Not one single trade. So this has been probably the worst week I've actually ever experienced. Not in terms of losers, just in terms of nothing going on. And that is because of the yen basket, number one. Because of the yen. It is because of the war. And it is because of Trump. These are the fucking 3 reasons why the market has been so bad. The yen, we don't really know what to do. The war, no one trusts it. And Trump, no one trusts at all what Trump says. So, it's been a shit week for those 3 reasons. Hopefully next week it's a lot better. Because, fuck me. This week, I don't think I've ever been so bored sitting on live. With literally every single day not being a single trade. So, yeah. Shit one, boys. But again, if you tuned in, at least you've tuned in to the world's shittest trading week. So now you know next time there's a shit week like this, what to do to not get cooked. Just wait for re-entries on continuations. If they don't come, they don't come. That's it. But yeah, I appreciate you tuning in, boys, and I'll catch you in the next one, people. Sweet boys. Week like this, what to do to not get cooked. Just wait for re-entries on continuations. If they don't come, they don't